Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing the buy that we had here. It's actually a breakout trade, so we are going to discuss how the trade was taken and how we also got over 328 pips, over 328 pips. How we got that. Now, if you see, you will notice that there is this kind of accumulation going on down here. So we knew the accumulation. So if you know the accumulation process, we are going to get into the trade straight away. So if you look at it, this is an accumulation process. They took out this low, they took out this, they took out this, they took out this, then they took out this. All right. You don't need to, be inside this accumulation. If you want, you can take the trade from the low. I've done it before, and I'm still doing it, which is fine. Okay, you can take the trade at this low, you can take the trade at this low, you can take the trade at this low, all right, which is fine, which is okay. Or maybe you can also just do a breakout trade. Do you understand? So that whenever they are just ready to move on, they will just take your trade using your buy stop. They will just take your trade and boom, you are in. All right, you are in. So whichever way, you're good. Just that with this, you're going to make more profits. With this, it's kind of a safe trade. All right, with this, it's kind of a safe trade. So whenever you see a distribution or a accumulation, that is when you apply this strategy. All right, I'm going to show you how you're going to know if a pair is actually in accumulation or distribution. All right, so that you will know where to actually put your stops. So you're going to put your stops, your buy stops here. When you know that they're about to go, you put your buy stop there, and boom, they're going to take your trade, and boom, you're going to make all this money. Now, let me show you what you're going to use to know. So this is the market maker value line. You guys all know this market maker value line. What we use it for is just for us to know the market maker sentiment, what they are actually doing. If they are in accumulation or they are in distribution, we know that by using this market maker value line. So earlier on, I showed you the 1 hour time frame. This is also the 4 hour time frame. It doesn't matter the time frame you are using, it works. So if you look at the sell that happened here, you will know that the market maker value line was also bearish before the price took out the last high, then started selling. So if you want to take the breakout trade, you can just put your sell stop here, boom, then you are down. All right, you're going to be in a lot of profit. So you don't need to target all this high. And also here, if you want to take a breakout trade for the buy, when you see all these market maker actually accumulating, and you could see that they were not dropping again. All right, the value line wasn't dropping again, unlike this that it was dropping. You knew they are still bearish when it was dropping. Here it wasn't dropping again, it was still dropping here. Here it was not dropping again, so it was just consolidating, then trying to make higher high and lower higher lows. But the price seems to be making a lot of lower lows and lower highs, so this is a very clear accumulation. And when we see that, we know that, okay, a very, very big move to the upside is coming. We already know the direction before it actually comes in play. So the next thing is, where are you going to place your trade? Where are you going to place your buy stop? So you can some can either place their buy stop here. If you're using a 4 hour time frame, you place it here. So since I used the 1 hour time frame to make the entry, I placed my buy stop around here. So that was how I was able to make over 320 pips. So this trade, we've analyzed it in the room, and it's a very, very fantastic trade because making 300 pips, very fantastic. All right. So it's as simple as that. Just knowing what the market maker value line is actually doing, you can enter a trade that can give you several pips, 200, 300, 500 pips. All right. You can actually do that. Very soon I'm going to do a gold analysis. I'm also in a trade on gold. Right now I'm making over 600 pips currently on gold, but I'm going to show you in another video. All right. That'll be all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.